These are fearful times. Coronavirus pandemic is one of the most dangerous threats the world has ever seen after the Black Death of 14th century. Billions of people were suffered, millions of people were infected, and some millions of people are died. This pandemic has induced the fear, dread, and anxiety into our lives. People are broken, dreams were shattered. Almost every one of us lost someone close to us. The entire world went through a time unparalleled during this pandemic, engulfed by death and disease. Still, we are feeling the impact of it. During the second wave, some scenes at the hospital, patients awaiting a bed, running around in teary eyes for oxygen and medicines for their beloved ones. It's unimaginable. Queues of dead bodies lining up at crematorium and graveyards, floating dead bodies in the rivers, very pathetic visuals all around. We witness death every day in our streets, more than ever. How useless even wealth can be when it cannot find an oxygen cylinder. Finding new ways to mentally cope the situation is the toughest thing because of the fact the light at the end of this pandemic tunnel seems very dim. Amidst all the confusion and anxiety, there are ever stronger signs of hope. It is the spirit of global togetherness that gives us hope. We can survive all these waves and pandemics. We have the strength. New mornings will come. The flowers will bloom and the streets will become active. The sun will shine more brightly. In these times of crisis, success will be achieved only when all people are protected. We continue to endure the pain of pandemic. We should find comfort in the stories of hope. We continue to see the value of positivity in these hard times. This virus had started questioning the corrupted system. It is demanding a complete overhaul of the existing system, a rebirth, a renaissance. This pain is going to give a push towards greater human progress because it was only through a catastrophe and political unrest that humanity rose to the occasion and made progress. After Black Death, which killed most of the population in the world, began a new era of intellectuals which changed the course of history. The death and destruction of this pandemic will be a paradigm shift. We must be hopeful. We must be prepared for that upcoming paradigm shift. Certainly, this shift gives rise to a greater human progress. It can be both scientifically and technically. In one manner, we could dream of another intellectual golden age that may spread in the times to come. Thank you.